in this lecture we are going to discuss conditions for the complete neutralization. Okay, very important concept this one also. So many times questions were asked in the various entrance examinations based on this concept. Okay, so let us take a acid base reaction. Suppose we have HCl plus NaOH gives sodium chloride plus water. Okay, so now here two things. By taking NaOH we can add HCl. Okay, or by taking HCl in a container we can add NaOH to that one. Okay, whatever it may be, acid base reactions takes place. Okay, suppose for understanding purpose we have here 10 molecules of sodium hydroxide. Okay, so when you add, slowly we are adding HCl molecules. When you add 10 HCl molecules, what happens? Total NaOH molecules are reacted with total HCl, means at that point what is happening in neutralization, complete neutralization, or at that point the base is completely neutralized by the acid which we are adding. Okay, so 10 molecules of NaOH we have taken. Okay, for our understanding purpose we are using this one. Okay, for this we are adding HCl molecules. So slowly what happens, the added HCl molecules one by one react with sodium hydroxides. Okay, so when we add 10 HCl molecules, what happens? This total NaOH molecules are neutralized by the HCl which we are adding, yes or no? So the point at which total base is reacted with the acid which we are adding is equivalence point. Okay, or at that condition what is happening? Neutralization is completed. Okay, so here remember one thing, generally all the acid base neutralization reactions or redox reactions or precipitation reactions, they takes place according to their gram equivalent number, not with respect to the number of moles. We should be very careful. Okay, so now according to that, okay, so first condition we can write, so gram equivalent number of acid, GEN of acid is equal to gram equivalent number of base, yes or no? Okay, GEN of acid equal to GEN of base, and we discussed one relation in the normality, GEN is equal to normality into volume in liters, yes or no? GEN equal to N into V in liter, so we can write NaVA is equal to NbVb, yes or no? Normality of acid into volume of acid, or you can write this one as N into V of acid is equal to N into V of base, your wish. Okay, so see, depending upon the information given in the problem we have to use the suitable relation, yes or no? If directly they have given gram equivalents of acid and ask you to find how many gram equivalents of base is present after complete neutralizations. Okay, what is the condition at complete neutralization? Equivalence of acid equal to equivalence of base. Okay, or from this relation we can write this one also, N into V of acid is equal to N into V of base at complete neutralization condition. Okay, and we can write in another way also. We know this relation also, which already we discussed. The number of equivalents or gram equivalent number is equal to weight by gram equivalent weight. Okay, weight by gram equivalent weight. Okay, so now here we can write, in the place of gram equivalent number we can write weight by gram equivalent weight of acid is equal to yes or no? Suppose for acid they didn't provide number of equivalents directly, they have provided weight. Okay, we can calculate gram equivalent weight. So weight by gram equivalent weight of acid equal to gram equivalents of base. Understood? Depending upon the provided information we can write different types of relations. Suppose, or we can write GEN of acid is equal to weight by gram equivalent weight of base. Yes or no? Now, in this case, they have provided the weight of base and gram equivalent weight they may provide, or we can calculate from the base also. Okay, so from this information we can calculate gram equivalence of acid. Okay, so depending upon the provided information we discuss all these types of formulas. Okay, so in the problems then you will get a full clarity. Okay, clear? Or we can write the relation in this way also. N into V of acid is equal to yes or no? See, this is the base equation. Remember this. If you remember this one, we get all these relations. Okay, now Gn of acid we can write N into V. Okay, suppose normality and volume of the acid is provided. See, if weight of acid is provided, use this relation. If normality and volume are given, use this relation. And for base, in these four, see we have how many? N, V of acid, weight and gram equivalent weight of base. Any three they will provide, fourth one we should find. Yes or no? Suppose they have given normality and volume and weight of the base, we have to calculate the gram equivalent weight of base. Or they have provided weight and gram equivalent weight of the base and volume of the acid, and they ask you what is the concentration of acid at complete neutralization condition, then we can get the N value. Clear? Depending upon the provided information. Or we can write weight by gram equivalent weight of acid is equal to N into V of base. Now, they have provided the concentration and volume of the base, and they ask you to find what is the weight of acid at complete neutralization condition. Okay, clear? So depending upon the information, we can use these many types of relations. Okay, those all we discuss in the problems also. Okay, remember this is the base equation. From this one only we are getting all these relations. Yes or no? Okay, so equivalence of acid is equal to equivalence of base at complete neutralization condition. Okay, and we can write one more relation also here, that is weight by gram equivalent weight of acid is equal to weight by gram equivalent weight of base. Okay, so in this case, so they will provide weight and gram equivalent weight of acid and gram equivalent weight of base. Ask you to find what is the weight of base after complete neutralization. Or if they give weight of base, they will ask you to find what is the weight of acid at complete neutralization. Okay, so depending upon the information we have to use the suitable relation. Remember this one. Now let us see, similar to the complete neutralization condition, we can discuss this one for the complete redox reaction and for the complete precipitation reaction also. Okay, let us see this one first. See, condition for complete redox reaction. What is a redox reaction? In a redox reaction, a oxidizing agent is present as well as a reducing agent is present. Yes or no? So here KMnO4 is a oxidizing agent and this one is a reducing agent. Okay. So now here a oxidizing agent is reacting with a reducing agent. Complete redox reaction means the reducing agent is completely reacted with oxidizing agent, or oxidizing agent is completely reacted with the reducing agent. Yes or no? So then what is the condition? So equivalence of oxidizing agent is equal to equivalence of reducing agent. Okay, so this is the condition for the complete redox reaction. Okay, gram equivalence of oxidizing agent equal to gram equivalence of reducing agent. Clear? So very simple. In that case, acid base reactions, equivalence of acid equal to equivalence of base. If that is a redox reaction, only in the place of acid we get oxidizing agent, in the place of base we get reducing agent. That is the only difference. Remaining all the reaction, not the reaction, sorry, remaining all the relations they are same. Okay, so for example, suppose weight of oxidizing agent by gram equivalent weight of oxidizing agent equal to weight by gram equivalent weight of reducing agent. So okay, so here also same as the acid base neutralization reactions. Okay, so here also they will provide the weight of oxidizing agent and ask you to find what is the weight of reducing agent after complete redox reaction. Okay, now let us see a precipitation reaction. In a precipitation reaction, so two different solutions. Suppose we have taken magnesium chloride solution is added to silver nitrate solution and silver chloride is precipitated. So here what is the condition? Equivalence of solution 1 equal to equivalence of solution 2. Okay, so this is the condition for the complete precipitation reaction. Okay, see, relation is the same. If that is acid base reaction, we get acid and base. If that is a redox reaction, we get oxidizing agent and reducing agent. If that is a precipitation reaction between two different solutions, we get equivalence of solution 1 equal to equivalence of solution 2. Okay, so very simple. Remember the base relation, from that we get the all relation. See, here also we can write, for example, weight by gram equivalent weight of solution 1 equal to weight by gram equivalent weight of solution 2. Similarly, all the relations also we can write. Okay, like we discussed for the acid base neutralization. Okay, in the next lecture we discuss different problems depending upon the different relations. Okay, thank you.